My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Ford Transit Custom Nugget camper. This vehicle has done just over 16,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our dining area. We have our 3 belted seats, and from the pictures we'll be able to see this doubles up as our first double bed. As we come around, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. Using our ladder, we can access our pop top double bed, making this camper 4 berth, 5 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access valet mode, Apple and Android CarPlay, Ford Pass Connect, our vehicle settings, mobile apps, emergency assistance, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.